Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to add font in Canva. This is very easy. What you need to do, just click on the font which you want to change. So in my case I'm going to change this font, so I just have to click on that and then you will able to see this pop-up. So we are going to click on this icon and then from that we can easily able to see all kind of fonts. So if you have any particular family of font, you can just search for that. So if I search sans, so I can easily get the name by sans serif, so I can just click on that and from then you can easily see all the sans serif fonts. So some fonts are paid and some of them are free, so whatever font you want to use you can just go for that. So if I select this, so as you can see the font is changed, and not only this, you will able to see many kind of fonts here as well. So if I want to add a particular font, so I just have to click on brand kit and here you can easily upload your font. So suppose if you have any OTF or TTF file, you can easily click on the add your font in brand kit option. After clicking on it, you will able to see this kind of window and here we will going to click on add font, and now here you will able to upload any font you want. So if you have any OTF file, TTF file, here you need to upload that file, and once you upload you will able to see that particular font right here, and from then you can easily use your added font. But make sure this is Canva Pro feature, and if you don't have Canva Pro you can go and purchase it and then only you can access this feature. So this is how you can add fonts in Canva. So if this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.